After recording a video in HDR using iPhone, I noticed that my clips were overexposed in this video. We will explore how to fix this issue. So this is the clip I've shot. So you can see the sky is overexposed. So let's see how I can fix this. So select your clip and go to Lumetri color. And here go and say sequence, and here we have working color space, which is right now 2100 HLG. So let's convert this to, so let's change this to Rec 709. Once you click this, it will ask you to change to tone mapping for the sequence. Click OK. And you can see there are few detailings are here. Now I can fix this. Go here in sequence clip. And now you can see here, tone mapping method is good for iPhone hue preservation. So now I can reduce the exposure and highlight the saturation. So let's reduce the exposure. I can see details are coming back in sky. Now let's increase the saturation a bit. And now I will add more saturation. So I'll go to Edit. And here you can add more saturation. So now you can see this is a much better version than our exposed one. Now I can see all the detailings here and there. And the sky, you can see the colors as well. We can add a bit of we can add a bit of contrast. And slightly more saturation. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video.